Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Good day everyone. I am Barjahan Kayugin Lomenda, and for today's lesson, we're going to discuss is all about the Rural Cooperative Development Centers. So what is Rural Cooperative Development Centers? Rural Cooperative Development Centers are organizations dedicated to providing support, resources, and guidance to rural communities and establishing and strengthening cooperative enterprises. So when we talk about Rural Cooperative Development Centers here, ito po ay isang organization na kung saan pa ay nagbibigay support, resources, at guidance sa mga rural communities para sa pag-establish at pagpapalakas ng cooperative enterprises. Ito rin ay para tulungan ng isang community. Like for example, sa isang community may gustong magpatayo at palakasin ng kanilang mga cooperative. So upang magkaroon ng mas magandang opportunities sa kanilang negosyo and especially sa kanilang kabuhayan, ay layunin nito hindi lamang magbigay ng financial support, kundi pati na rin ng kaalaman at skills training sa mga miyembro ng cooperative na naglalayong palakasin ng kanilang kakayahan sa pamamahala at pagpapatakbo ng isang negosyo. So like for example, if we are going to imagine that there is a small farming community in a rural area that is struggling to access markets for their produce due to the limited resources and infrastructure. So the role of a Rural Cooperative Development Center steps here is to provide support, syempre. So like for example, they are going to assist the farmers in forming a cooperative, pooling their resources, and collectively marketing their products. And of course, the center offers training sessions on sustainable farming practices, financial management, and marketing strategies. They also secure funding for essential equipment like tractors or irrigation systems. And with that guidance and resources provided by the center, maaaring lumago or magtagumpay ang isang cooperative. Kasi nga, matututunan ng mga farmers on how to gain access to larger markets, negotiate better prices for their produce, and improve their overall income. Additionally, the cooperative creates jobs within the community and stimulates economic growth. So, through the efforts of the Rural Cooperative Development Center, the once struggling farming community is now thriving and self-sufficient. And let us proceed to the next slide. The importance of Rural Communities Development Center in empowering rural communities. This center serves as a catalyst for positive change in rural areas, enabling residents to address their economic, social, and environmental challenges collectively and build resilient, thriving communities, and also to empower rural communities by fostering economic development, enhancing social cohesion, and promoting sustainability through cooperative enterprises. So tulad nga ng nabanggit ko kanina na isa sa mga pangunahin ng layunin ng mga cooperative development centers natin ay upang makatulong sa mga tao. Dahil ito rin ay naging pundasyon ng kanilang trabaho na naglalayong palakasin ang mga community at also magbigay ng oportunidad para sa pag-unlad sa mga rural areas natin. At sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng support, like for example, yung mga kagamitan nila and also the knowledge and skills ay nagiging handa sila at mas lalong nagiging mahusay ang mga mamamayan na harapin ang kanilang mga hamon at magsimula sa mga proyekto na magdadala sa kanila ng positive na pagbabago sa kanilang mga pamayanan. And also, isa ito sa mahalagang goal ng isang community development centers. So let us proceed to the next reporter.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Sandra Sandialan Zangkala from BSCD 3C. Our topic for today is about Rural Cooperative Development Centers. Rural Cooperative Development Centers serve to empower rural communities by providing resources, training, and support to establish and strengthen cooperative businesses. These centers aims to promote economic growth, job creation, and community resilience. By fostering collaboration and shared ownership among local residents, they often offer assistance with business planning, access to financing, market development, and technical expertise tailored to the needs of rural areas. Rural Cooperative Development Centers play several important roles in rural areas. Meron tayong 5 mahalagang papel ng Rural Cooperative Development Centers sa ating mga rural areas. Number 1, economic empowerment o pagpapalago ng ekonomiya. They empower rural residents by providing them with the knowledge, skills, and resources needed to establish and manage cooperative businesses, those creating local employment opportunities and fostering economic growth. Number 2, community development or pagpapaunlad ng komunidad. RCDCS or Rural Cooperative Development Centers promote community engagement and cohesion by encouraging collaboration among local residents to address common challenges and pursue shared goals through cooperative enterprises. Number 3, sustainability. They promote sustainable development practices by supporting cooperatives that prioritize environmental stewardship, resource conservation, and local resilience. Number 4, access to resources. RCDCS or Rural Cooperative Development Centers help rural communities access financing, technical expertise, markets, and other resources that may otherwise be unavailable or difficult to obtain, enabling them to overcome barriers to entrepreneurship and business development. Number 5, capacity building. They offer training and technical assistance to strengthen the organizational, managerial, and operational capacities of cooperative enterprises, ensuring their long-term viability and success. Overall, rural cooperative development centers play a crucial role in fostering economic, social, and environmental sustainability in rural areas, while empowering local residents to take control of their economic destinies and improve their quality of life. Thank you for watching and listening.